Hey guys, let's do a fun eye look together. So I'm going to be using the Gxve Place Culture Palette, and I'm going to have the shades listed, but I started out by kind of cutting the design that I wanted to do. So we're thinking more of like a half, and then taking a lighter shade, we're just blending out everything that we drew out with that cut crease just to soften it up. Don't be afraid to be messy. So next I'm going to take a makeup wipe, and I'm just going to get rid of everything that's going to go in that blank space because I am going to use a white base to make these neon shadows pop. So I'm filling that in with a white concealer, and then starting off with a yellow, I'm gonna pack that on there, and then once I get it to like almost the middle, I'm gonna place a pink tone right in that area, and then using the same brush without having to switch out just gives a perfect blend. And then I popped in a little bit of purple into that outer corner, and then we're blending it back out with the blue tone I first used just to blend it in and deepen that outer corner. And then taking that makeup wipe and cutting that edge. And if you haven't tried these liners from Give Beauty, they go on literally like butter. And then we're putting on mascara and lashes. These are from Ioni. They're beautiful. They're just like a set of wispy from the dollar store. And then the same shades I use on the lid, we're following them just on the bottom lash line to make everything cohesive. And then I'm just blowing that out with a crease brush. And I thought a pop of color would be cute, so we're using a purple mascara just on the bottom lashes. And then I just used it on the top lash where that purple shade is to really make it pop. And this is the look that came together. Let me know what you think down below.